Starting a Shopify dropshipping store can be an exciting venture. Choose a niche that interests you and has a demand in the market. Sign up for a Shopify account and choose a suitable plan for your business needs. Curate a selection of products within your niche. Focus on quality, uniqueness, and profitability. Find reliable supplies for your products. Platforms like Oberlo, Spockart, or AliExpress can help you find products to dropship. As your store grows, consider expanding your product offerings, investing in advertising, and exploring new markets to scale your business further. Choose a niche that interests you and has a demand in the market. Research trending products and potential target audiences. Develop a marketing plan to drive traffic to your store. Utilize social media marketing, influencer partnerships, email marketing, and content marketing to reach your target audience. Freelancing, consulting, content creation, social media management, online courses, dropshipping are the great ideas to start business with no money. Avoiding common mistakes and staying proactive in managing your dropshipping business, you can increase your chances of long-term success and profitability. The dropshipping model is a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when a store sells a product, it purchases the item from a third party and has it shipped directly to the customer. Boosting sales on Shopify requires a combination of strategies to attract customers, increase conversions, and encourage repeat purchases. Adding product reviews to your Shopify store can be beneficial for building trust with potential customers and increasing sales. Explore freelance platforms such as Upwork, Freelancer, Topdoor, and Fiverr, where you can find experienced Shopify developers. Use search filters to narrow down your options based on skills, experience level, location, and budget. Designing a visually appealing and user-friendly Shopify store is essential for attracting and retaining customers. Finding a winning product for dropshipping involves identifying a product with high demand, low competition, and the potential for profitable margins. For Shopify theme designs, you can explore the Shopify theme store, which offers a variety of professionally designed themes for different industries and preferences. Additionally, if you have specific design requirements or need a custom theme created, you can hire a Shopify developer who specializes. Remember, Finding a winning product for dropshipping requires a combination of research, experimentation, and adaptation. Stay proactive in your product selection process. Keep an eye on market trends and be willing to pivot if necessary to capitalize on new opportunities.